Welcome to the age of gaming. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable disk using my laptop to transfer the files to the sole computer and then onto the disk. This is really a reminder video to remind me how to do it if I don't play with my soul, quite often enough. So let's get started. Let's power up the soul. And we might want to turn on the monitor here. It looks like we have a prompt there. You can see that up at the top. I gotta put it into cat box mode here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set the serial port for input from the laptop. And that command is simply set I equals 1. And now I'm going to go over to the laptop and transfer the file called PC2Flop. Okay, let's go over there and take a look at that. Okay, we're over here at the laptop now, and I've already got my Tera term set up on COM port 3 and 9600 baud. Okay, let's see if we can send that file. File, send file. PC2Flop, double density. It doesn't make it all the time, but it looks like it's going to make it this time. And we're done. Let's press enter and go take a look at the PC now. Those ASCII characters you see on there are actually the PC2Flop being transferred over in hex. So let me put this up so we can sure to see the top of the screen. Okay, now I just have to execute at 100. PC2Flop image transfer version 1.0. This program writes a North Star double density floppy from a disk image received through the SOL20 port via X modem. Insert and specify a destination drive. Well, I'm going to insert it into drive 1 over here. And specify drive 1. And now it's asking for which serial port I want to use. I'm going to go with the default serial port, which is serial port 1, since I only have one serial port. And start the transfer. File, transfer, X modem, send, and we'll be transferring CPM, single-sided double density. And it is currently on its way. Now it typically loads a few up to 25 or 50% before it actually starts writing to disk, but you'll see it start writing to disk before too long. Just writing a few sectors there now, and then it will continue. Well, it's probably obvious here that I'm going to have to fast forward through this video. At 9600 baud, it takes a little bit of time. I'm going to transfer a little bit more to the disk now. And we're just about to finish up here. And transfer complete. Now I'm going to go ahead and exit the program here. I'm also going to turn it off and turn it back on so that I can boot off the disk and make sure that nothing I've loaded in there already is going to interfere with booting from the disk. So I have to put cap locks on, and I'm going to execute E800. And there we go, CPM2 for North Star. Now we can simply do a dir and see what's on the disk. Now I'm going to use the PC get here. And I'm going to transfer a game image from my floppy to this disk so that I can execute it from the disk drive. So let's do PC get. We have to put the name in there, and it's target.com. It's going to say send the file. I'm going to go over here and say file, transfer, X modem, send. And find my target file here. Double click. And you can see it's actually being transferred there. Okay. Now let's see if I can actually run the program. Oh, and there we go. Target processor technology, written by Stephen Dompier. Includes sound effects. Well, unfortunately, I don't have sound on this system, so we'll have to do without that. Anyhow, that is how you create a boot disk and transfer a file to your floppy disk that you might want to run at a later time. That's it for now. Thank you very much. Have a great day.